China's latest mega-project has the entire world stunned. Once again, the nation that turned deserts into megacities and mountains into highways has done something that pushes the limits of human imagination. What started as whispers in the engineering world has now become a reality so massive, so complex, and so advanced that experts everywhere are asking one question: how did China pull this off? This isn't just another skyscraper or bridge. It's a project that redefines what a country can achieve when technology, ambition, and vision merge into one unstoppable force. The scale is mind-bending. The cost, astronomical. The purpose? To push humanity into the next era of infrastructure and innovation. At first, people thought the plans were exaggerated, impossible even. Satellite images began to appear online, showing strange structures rising in previously empty regions. Then came the confirmation: China was building something never attempted before, something that could change global trade, transportation, and energy forever. Engineers describe it as a project that blends artificial intelligence, renewable power, and super infrastructure into a seamless ecosystem. It's not just one structure, it's a network, a living system of connected technology. Imagine entire regions powered by solar and wind energy feeding directly into ultra-efficient transport systems, while AI manages everything from logistics to lighting, ensuring zero waste and maximum output. Every phase of construction has been carefully timed, coordinated by thousands of drones and robots working side by side with human engineers. This combination of automation and precision is unlike anything seen before. In China, construction no longer happens with cranes alone, it happens with data algorithms and predictive modeling that can simulate years of wear and tear before a single bolt is tightened. But what really makes this project so stunning is its purpose. It's not just built to impress, it's built to prepare. China is positioning itself for a future where energy independence, sustainable design, and global dominance are deeply connected. Every structure, every system, every decision in this mega project is part of a long-term strategy, a strategy that could shift the balance of global power for decades to come. International analysts are scrambling to understand the true scale. Some believe it's an energy supergrid capable of transmitting renewable power across the entire country. Others think it's the world's largest smart city, fully automated, powered entirely by green energy, with AI monitoring everything from weather systems to human health data. There are even rumors that parts of it are designed to connect directly with future space launch infrastructure, linking Earth-based cities with orbital supply systems. The speed of progress is just as shocking. What takes most countries decades, China completes in a few years. Massive prefabrication yards produce entire building sections in record time. High-speed rail networks deliver materials faster than ever. And with 3D printing now used for bridges, tunnels, and even skyscraper walls, China has eliminated traditional bottlenecks in construction entirely. But it's not just technology driving this, it's ambition. China's leadership has made it clear: they want to lead the world in the next industrial revolution, one defined not by oil and steel, but by energy, intelligence, and sustainability. And projects like this are the blueprint for that future. Imagine a city where every building generates its own power, every vehicle runs on clean energy, and every system is connected through a quantum-level communication grid. It sounds like science fiction, yet China is already building it. The level of detail is extraordinary. Roads are embedded with wireless charging lanes for electric vehicles. Skyscrapers harvest wind energy from their own design. Water systems recycle and purify themselves through advanced nanotechnology. What makes this even more jaw-dropping is how quietly China has managed to build it. While the world debates policies and climate goals, China simply acts. They don't announce plans years in advance, they reveal completed realities. That's what shocks observers the most. By the time people hear about a new mega project, it's already halfway done. This project symbolizes more than construction. It's a statement, a message to the world that China's era of imitation is over, and the era of innovation has begun. Once criticized for copying Western technology, China is now creating technologies no one else can match. From magnetically levitating trains to modular skyscrapers that rise in days instead of months, their mastery of scale is rewriting the rules of modern engineering. Experts say this mega project will soon become a global benchmark, much like the Great Wall was centuries ago. But unlike the wall, which was built for defense, this structure is built for dominance: economic, technological, and environmental. And while many nations struggle to modernize aging infrastructure, China is already building the foundation for the next century. It's a powerful reminder of what happens when a country commits fully to the future. While others talk about renewable energy, China builds the world's largest solar farms. While others plan smart cities, China connects entire provinces into data-driven networks. This mega-project is simply the latest chapter in a story that's far from over, a story about transformation, resilience, and relentless forward motion. For global industries, the implications are massive. Shipping routes, trade corridors, and energy markets will all feel the ripple effect. If this project succeeds, and all signs suggest it could make China the central hub of the world's economic and technological systems for the next 100 years. Yet, beyond the politics and power, there's something undeniably awe-inspiring about it. Watching a nation build at this scale feels like watching history unfold in real time. It's a glimpse into the future, a future that's no longer theoretical, but physical, rising from the ground right now. Whether the world chooses to compete or cooperate, one thing is clear: China is not slowing down. Every time people think they've reached their limit, they unveil something even bigger, bolder, and more advanced. This latest mega-project proves that for China the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. And as the rest of the world looks on in disbelief, one truth becomes undeniable: the future is already being built, and it's happening in China. As the dust settles and the final touches are placed on this colossal masterpiece, the message is loud and clear: China's vision for tomorrow is no longer a dream. It's real, it's massive, and it's changing the course of human progress right before our eyes. The only question that remains is, how will the rest of the world respond? Will they rise to match this wave of innovation, or be left behind as China continues to build the future, one mega project at a time? If you're amazed by China's incredible progress and want to see more groundbreaking developments like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss what's next. Because this story is far from over, the next project might just be even more unbelievable. And as night falls over the construction sites that never sleep, thousands of lights flicker across the horizon, a glowing constellation of cranes, drones, and automated machines shaping the next chapter of civilization. This is not the world of tomorrow, this is today, and it's being built faster than anyone thought possible. Every day, new sections of the mega project rise. Entire blocks appear seemingly overnight. Massive robotic arms assemble frameworks with surgical precision, guided by AI systems that calculate every movement down to the millimeter. Sensors embedded in the foundations constantly feed live data into a central cloud hub, where predictive algorithms monitor stress points, vibration levels, and environmental factors in real time. Nothing is left to chance. Every screw, every weld, every structural element has a purpose: efficiency through perfection. The project's environmental harmony is equally stunning. Green roofs stretch for miles, dotted with solar panels that track the sun's path throughout the day. Vertical gardens climb the sides of buildings, filtering air and cooling surfaces naturally. Rainwater collection systems feed underground reservoirs that irrigate the city without wasting a drop. Even the wind is harnessed, directed through aerodynamic channels to power micro-turbines built into the very design of the buildings themselves. But what truly sets this apart is the integration of people and technology. This mega-project isn't designed to replace humans, it's designed to enhance them. Workers wear augmented reality visors that overlay digital blueprints directly onto physical structures. Drones scout the skies for safety hazards, while AI-driven logistics systems deliver materials automatically to exact coordinates on site. Construction that once took decades now happens in mere years, not by rushing, but by evolving. It's not just infrastructure. It's an ecosystem, self-regulating, adaptive, alive. Inside these structures, everything talks to everything else. Smart windows adjust their opacity based on sunlight. Elevators anticipate passenger movement before they press a button. Energy flows seamlessly between buildings, redistributed by AI to where it's needed most. Imagine an entire city thinking, breathing, learning. That's what China has created here, not just a project, but a prototype for the future of civilization itself. The global reaction has been explosive. Engineers from Europe, scientists from the US, architects from Japan, all watching in disbelief as China outpaces decades of planning in just a few years. Some call it the eighth wonder of the modern world. Others warn it's a sign of how far ahead China is in the race for technological supremacy. Either way, it's impossible to ignore. And the most intriguing part? This is just one of many. Reports suggest several more mega-projects of similar scale are already underway: underground transit hubs that connect entire provinces, floating solar cities that drift along the coastlines, and high-altitude wind farms generating energy from above the clouds. Each one builds upon the other, forming a vast, interconnected web of progress. The financial magnitude is staggering. Trillions of yuan invested not for profit alone, but for dominance, for control over the world's next-generation technologies. With every new development, China strengthens its grip on industries like energy, transportation, data, and artificial intelligence. Western analysts are now calling it the Great Leap Forward 2.0, except this time, it's powered by innovation, not ideology. It's easy to forget that just a few decades ago China was a nation rebuilding from poverty and isolation. Now, it's the workshop of the world, the largest exporter, the leader in renewable energy, and the new epicenter of infrastructure evolution. From ghost towns rising into tech utopias to deserts transformed into power grids, China has mastered the art of transformation. Every project, no matter how large, follows a pattern and vision: execute, evolve. And this latest mega-project is the purest example of that philosophy. Its design represents a fusion of science, nature, and human creativity. Its purpose goes beyond profit. It's about sustainability, national strength, and global influence. Every aspect, from the choice of materials to the software that runs it, is meticulously optimized to reduce waste, conserve energy, and extend longevity. As the project expands, new partnerships are forming. Countries in Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia are reaching out to China for collaboration, hoping to replicate the same miracle on their own soil. The Belt and Road Initiative, once seen as a simple trade network, is now transforming into a global framework for building the cities of tomorrow. And this mega project, this monumental construction, is the perfect showcase of what's possible under that vision. What's even more fascinating is how seamlessly China combines ancient philosophy with futuristic engineering. The design reflects balance: yin and yang, nature and machine, energy and matter. Water flows under glass bridges, gardens grow inside skyscrapers, and cities blend into mountainsides. Instead of fighting the environment, the structures coexist with it, amplifying the beauty of both. Foreign journalists who've been granted rare access describe it as stepping into a different timeline. Autonomous vehicles glide silently through clean, green streets. Delivery drones buzz quietly above. Buildings seem to shimmer under smart glass facades that adjust in real time. It's futuristic, yet calm, high-tech, yet deeply human. And still, most of the world hasn't seen the full picture. The government has kept certain parts classified, fueling speculation about advanced research facilities hidden within. Some believe this mega-project is also a testing ground for quantum communication systems networks so secure they're impossible to hack. Others claim it houses experimental renewable storage technologies that could eliminate global dependence on fossil fuels entirely. Whatever the truth, one thing is certain: China is no longer following trends, it's setting them. This isn't about competing with the West anymore, it's about redefining what progress looks like. The sheer audacity of this mega-project proves that China is playing a different game altogether, one that focuses on integration, automation, and sustainability at a planetary scale. As international experts scramble to catch up, global corporations are now turning to China for solutions. Companies that once led the world in innovation are now studying Chinese blueprints, technologies, and methods to learn how they achieved such rapid transformation. The ripple effect is undeniable. From construction standards to smart technology exports, China's influence is spreading everywhere. In schools and universities across the nation, the next generation is being trained to continue this momentum. Robotics, AI, green engineering, quantum physics, these are not electives anymore, they are essentials. Students grow up not just dreaming about the future, but designing it. This relentless culture of innovation fuels projects like this megastructure and ensures there will be many more to come. And as the world watches, China keeps building quietly, efficiently, fearlessly. Every crane that moves, every drone that hovers, every spark that flashes in the night sky adds another piece to the puzzle of the future. The skyline continues to change, the map continues to evolve, and the narrative continues to unfold, one that's no longer about catching up to the world but leading it into an entirely new era. Deep within the heart of this mega project lies something even more extraordinary, an innovation hub that never sleeps. Picture an entire the Earth to the shimmering towers powered by the sun above. This is more than construction. It's civilization, reimagined. Every element within this colossal creation tells a story of precision, intention, and unstoppable progress. The architecture isn't random, it's alive. It reacts to seasons, light, and human activity. Entire districts operate in harmony, powered by an AI so advanced it makes real-time decisions that keep the system balanced. The very heartbeat of the city pulses through fiber optic veins and quantum channels, a living organism of metal, glass, and intelligence. But behind the engineering marvels lies something deeper, a message. China is no longer content with being the world's factory. It's now the world's architect. This mega project stands as proof that innovation is not limited to the West, nor to tradition. It's proof that when vision, resources, and willpower align, the impossible becomes routine. Even those who once doubted are now in awe. Environmentalists praise the self-sustaining systems. Economists marvel at the logistical brilliance. Scientists call it the most integrated smart infrastructure ever attempted by humanity. And ordinary citizens, walking the luminous streets of this futuristic city, feel what generations before them only dreamed of, a future that works. As the drones finally descend, their day's work done, a quiet hum lingers in the night air. Skyscrapers glow softly under the starlit sky. Rivers run clear. The horizon stretches endlessly, a symbol of both completion and beginning. Because in truth, China's mega project isn't the end of anything, it's the foundation of what comes next. From high-speed maglev lines connecting cities in minutes to vertical farms producing clean food for millions, from quantum networks transmitting unhackable data to artificial suns powering entire regions, every innovation adds a new chapter to China's grand story of reinvention. The nation that once built the Great Wall to keep the world out is now building gateways to lead it forward. And whether the rest of the world chooses to compete or collaborate, one thing is now beyond question: China has changed the definition of progress. What once took centuries of evolution, they've achieved in decades. Their blueprint for tomorrow is already under construction, massive, efficient, and almost otherworldly. It's a reminder to every nation watching: the race for the future isn't about who starts first, it's about who refuses to stop. As the camera pans across the glowing skyline, towers glistening, transport lines weaving like veins of light, the Earth itself transformed into a network of intelligence, one truth stands tall above all else: the world has entered a new era, and China is building its foundation, one breathtaking structure at a time. If this glimpse into the future amazed you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the most incredible engineering feats reshaping our world. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next, because the future isn't waiting. It's already rising, right now, in the heart of China.